The general contractor does not need to be approved by the agencies like FHA or conventional loans. They need to be approved with Fairway, but that's a huge misnomer that they need to be on this list or anything like that. So, but I want you to think about this for a second. If you are selecting a contractor who has worked with Fairway or has worked with renovation loans in general, that's half the battle because they know things need to be broken down in a certain way when you're using financing that John, me or you would probably not ask a contractor to do if we were using cash or an equity line or whatever.
Yeah.
And what's really funny is a lot of times when people are doing that, they don't really ask the contractor for references. They don't ask to see their insurance. They don't ask to see the license. So it actually protects everybody involved just to make sure, well, hang on a second, we're validating this contractor you want to use, but they're not licensed and they don't have insurance. So, we cannot use them. We don't want to be Debbie Downer, but at the end of the day, do you really want to be involved in a project where your contractor doesn't have a license and what's required and they don't have the insurance? So we try to make it really easy and say, this is what the contractor needs.